Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to YouTube Foundry. I'm Richard, and what we're going to do today is we're going to look at how to set up your YouTube channel. Now, you're going to need, as I said in an earlier video, 2 email addresses, and I've got the video linked below that shows you how to set up those addresses. That needs to be done first because your account needs to be tied to an email address. So we're going to set up those addresses, and remember there's 2 addresses. One is the address that's the forward-facing or publicly facing email address that is going to be in your YouTube channel profile. That's the one people will use to get in touch with you. The other email address is the email address that's associated with your channel, and that's the one that YouTube will use to get in touch with you, and also the email address that YouTube will use whenever you need to log into your channel, either from another device or from your normal device if you somehow got logged out of your account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to open our browser. We're going to go to youtube.com as I've done here, and probably what you're going to see, if you're not signed in yet, you're going to see this sign in button. Okay, and if you see the sign in button, you're simply going to click on that button and you're going to need to sign in. So I'm going to click on that and we're going to get the next window. Now this window here may list several email addresses that you may already have with Google, with Gmail. If not, then it'll just simply ask you what email address you want to open, what email account you want to open. I'm going to click here on Use Another Account, and it's going to bring up another window for me. Now, when I get to this window, it's going to ask me for the email address of the account I want to open. Now, I want to use the email address that is my YouTube channel address, not my publicly facing address, because the next thing we're going to do is actually tie a channel to this email address. So I'm going to type in the email address that's associated with the channel that I want to create. So I'll type that in, and now I'm going to hit Next. It's going to ask me for my password for this channel, and I'll type that in as well. So now you notice the only thing that's changed on this channel is what we see up here in the upper right corner. Now there's a little icon up here. Instead of saying sign in, it's got this little icon. For some reason it gives me an R, I guess because the first letter of my name is R, since I'm Richard, and it's going to give me that. Now, at some point, I'm going to replace this with an actual icon or an actual picture or something so that it looks something other than an R. And we'll show you how to do that in another video. But what we're going to do is click on this, and when we click on it, it's going to give us something like this. And one of the options is it's going to give me the option to create a channel. Okay, so we're going to create this channel at this point, and so I'm going to click on create a channel right here, and it's going to ask me what I want to do. So my name is Richard. It asks me what do I want my handle to be. So I want my handle to be, I don't want it to be Richard-Y9. That's kind of weird. I want my channel to be YouTube Foundry. That's my channel handle. And when I tell people to go to my channel, I'm going to tell them to go to YouTube Foundry. And except I got to spell it right. There we go, YouTube Foundry. Now I've already searched and I know there's not a channel out there with this name. So I'm going to hit Create Channel. It takes just a moment. It's creating the channel. And here we go. I now have a channel, okay? And what I can do is I can customize this channel now. And that's what we're going to do next. So what we're going to do after we've created our channel, I'm going to do another video on how to show you how to customize this channel so that you can have the channel look like you want to use it. We can replace that R with a picture, and it'll look really what we want it to look like, and it'll be ready for us to start loading up videos to the channel.